Hello YouTube friends, I wanted to do a really quick lunchtime video featuring my 1989 Speedy, and it's beautiful. It's in wonderful condition. But I wanted to show you guys how I clean the Vachetta, because that's always been a really big question in the Louis Vuitton collector's realm. I guess Louis Vuitton says don't do anything to it. I do condition it, and I do clean it occasionally. So I just wanted to show you what I use and what works really good. I use just regular kiwi saddle soap that you can get Walmart, Target, grocery stores, and 7th generation free and clear wipes. They're just baby wipes that are just free of anything. So I just take one of the wipes and I take some saddle soap. So you take the wipe, and these are not super wet. They're just kind of damp, and that's why this works so well, because you don't want to get the leather soaking wet. You'll see that it darkens a little bit when you put moisture on it, and you don't want to get any spots. So that's why I enjoy using these water wipes, or the free and clear wipes, because they don't have anything in them that's going to damage the leather, and they're just barely damp. Just graze it on the top of the saddle soap. I don't make a lather because I don't have that much liquid in it. And you'll see that if I just go, see? Just doing that will get the grime off. And wherever I go, I do the whole thing. Because if you don't do the entire piece that you're working on, then when it dries, it's going to have a line of demarcation where it got wet. So just go over it barely. Don't spend too long in one area. And look at that. These were already cleaned, but I've used it a few times. And I do this maybe every couple months. And then once I go over it with the saddle soap, take another side of the wipe and just go over the whole thing to clean off any residue. And so you'll see it darken slightly, but then after a full day, it dries down and it'll look just perfect. And you just want to make sure that you've conditioned before you do this. I condition like a day or two beforehand with a very light conditioning balm or cream. I don't use any oily, greasy balms on these bags because I don't want them to darken too much. But you can see that they stay a nice light color, and they have the nice natural sheen to them. And this is the one I just did, so it's a little bit darker. So there you go. That is how to quickly clean the Vachetta on your bags. Make sure you've conditioned it first before you do it, about a day before. Let it dry completely, and then go ahead and do the cleaning. Let it dry completely another day, and if you need to do a little bit more cleaning, maybe do it one more time, wait a day, and then condition again. I hope that helped. And it really works well for me. I haven't had any damage to my bags using this method, and I do think it is one of the most gentle methods you can use on these very expensive bags. Okay, until next time, bye-bye.